Do you know why the interest rate felt proud? Because it's always on the rise. Now, fortunately, I'm a loan officer and not a comedian because my jokes aren't that good. But I also have some other good news to report after a really horrible Monday of trading of interest rates when I was telling you that we were back to the highs of the year. We have started to see some signs of that breaking for you, for me, and for your clients. So that's some pretty good news. We got lots of inflation data next week. I'll just tell you about how all that worked when it happens next week. But the president said that Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve, that he was just joking about firing him. So that's good. It would be bad for interest rates because it would create a lot of uncertainty if Powell was forced to resign. And Treasury Secretary Bessent came out and said that they felt that there was progress on China and that the tariffs wouldn't need to be as bad. And the markets like that. So I'm hopeful that next week we get a good tame inflation with not a lot of big headline news so the market can go back to focusing on the data versus the headlines and the tweets that come out. That would be good for all of us. And I wanted to tell you all something as well too. Like there are quite a few products for people who are quote unquote low income. And I say that way because if you make under $82,560, you qualify for these products. And so I was just talking to a client this last week, and my rate, which would have been better anyway, ended up being over a half point better because the loan officer they were talking to didn't realize that they were eligible for this product, and they're not a first-time home buyer. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer for these particular loans. So I wanted to make sure you knew that because not only is it important to deal with somebody who is amazing, charming, sends you videos every week, and has a really low margin on their loans, it's also super important to deal with somebody who actually knows what they're doing so they put all of our clients in the best position. And you know what? I'm your guy for that. Anything else you need, just reach out. And it's the end of the week, so peace out.